Imagine waking up tomorrow and half the jobs around you are gone, replaced by artificial intelligence. Not next year, not someday, but right now. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening in 2025.
From your phone's assistant to the tools creating art, music, even code, AI has quietly taken over every corner of modern life.
Until now, AI was simple. It followed rules. But 2025 marks a shift. AI can now plan, decide, and act on its own. They're not just assistants, they're agents. Tech giants like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic are building systems that can complete full tasks, from writing business plans to launching ads, with no human in the loop. Across the U.S., companies are quietly replacing workers with automation. Data analysts, writers, even video editors. AI tools are doing it all. Developers report that over 90% of them already use AI every day. And it's not just tech. Schools, hospitals, and even law firms are now AI-powered. Every new update makes AI faster, smarter, and scarier. But here's the truth. It's not replacing humans. It's replacing humans who refuse to evolve. So what can you do right now? Number 1, stop ignoring it. Learn the AI tools shaping your field. Number 2, develop human skills that machines can't copy. Creativity, empathy, leadership. Number 3, adapt fast. Because the people who understand AI today will lead the world tomorrow. The world is shifting faster than ever before. The question isn't whether AI will replace people, it's whether you'll be one of the people it can't replace. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, because the next update might just change everything again.